Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting themes on Messenger. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Messenger app and open the chat that you would like to change the theme of. Tap the eye in the top right corner of the chat. Then tap Theme. Now tap a theme to choose it. When you choose a new theme, you will get a custom emoji in the bottom right of the chat. You can tap the emoji to send it. If you hold down on it before you let go, you can inflate it before you send it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.